friends, welcome back to the Kids Soap with Miss Trishy. That's me, Trishy. Today we're going to learn about parts of our face and our bodies. Are you ready? We're going to sing a song first called Head, Shoulders, ready? Knees and toes. Show me where your head is. Good job, right here. Show me where your shoulders are. Very good, shoulders. Can you say shoulders? Good job. Show me where your knees are. Your knees. That's right, point to your knees. Where are your knees? Right here, the part that bends. Those are your knees. How about your toes? Your toes are right here. They're on your feet. Your toes. Show me where your nose is. Your nose. How about your eyes? That's right, your eyes. Your cheeks. These are your cheeks. Pinch your cheeks. Cheeks. Show me. Good job. Your chin. Show me your teeth. Your teeth. How about your mouth? Your mouth. And then your teeth are inside your mouth. That's right. Show me your eyebrows. Your eyebrows. Right here. These are your eyebrows. How about your forehead? Forehead. Your forehead is right here. And then your head. Show me your hair. Your hair. Your hair. You guys are smart. Very good, my friends. How about your neck? Can you say neck? Good job, say neck. Your neck. Show me your hands. Your hands. That's right. You guys are doing excellent. All right, you ready for our song? All right, let's go. Let's go. Head, shoulders, knees and toes. Knees and toes, knees and toes, head, shoulders, knees and toes, eyes, ears, mouth, and nose. Good job. You want to do it together now? Sing with me and do it together. Don't forget to stand up. Stand up, and you can do it together with me on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes, knees and toes, head, shoulders, knees and toes, eyes, ears, mouth, and nose. You guys did excellent. Excellent doing that song. You can do it all by yourselves when you feel like moving your body. Now we're going to do a special activity in our learning book. Do you want to do it with me? We're going to do a special activity in our learning book. Let's go sit down and do it. Hey friends, so we're going to do an activity. Will you help me with it? You will help me? Thank you. We're going to take our black marker and we're going to do a special activity. Look at this little friend of ours right here. She's so cute. She has 2 little yellow bows in her hair and a cute little blouse. Yellow. We're going to draw a line to her eyes. Where are her eyes? That's right. Very good. This word says eye. E-Y-E. You want to trace it with me? All right. E. Y, E, eye. Now let's make an arrow to her eye, right there. Good job, my friend. Our next word is ear. Can you say ear? Very good. E, A, R, ear. Where's her ear? She has 2 eyes and 2 ears. Ear. Very good. Right there is her ear. And her other ear is right here. Very good, my friends. I think we're gonna get a darker marker. This one's not working very well, is it? We're gonna do a purple marker instead. Purple. See if that works better. Our next word is a nose. Do you see her nose? Very good, there it is. Now we're gonna spell it. N-O-S-E. Nose, that spells nose. Let's make an arrow to her nose. There's her cute little nose. That's right, she has one nose. Cheek is our next word. Do you remember where your cheeks are? Can you point to your cheeks? Good job. Now cheeks are spelled C-H-E-E-K. Spells cheek. How many cheeks do you have? You have two cheeks. So we're going to point to one of her cheeks. Right there. There's a cheek. And there's her other cheek right there. Very good. Now what should we do next? Mouth. Do you see her mouth? Very good, my friend. Mouth. M-O-U-T-H. Mouth. Can you point to her mouth? Very good. Her mouth is right there. Our last word is chin. Chin. Can you point to your chin? Good job. Chin is spelled C-H-I-N. Chin. We're going to make an arrow. Can you help me make an arrow to her chin? Thank you. Chin. That's her chin. So she has, let's do I again. E-Y-E. She has two eyes. Here's one eye right there. And here's her other eye right there. Ear. How many ears do you have? Count your ears. Very good. Two. Here's one ear. And here's her second ear. Two. Cheeks. 1, 2. Mouth. How many mouths does she have? One mouth. How about chin? How many chins does she have? One chin. Very good. You did excellent. Pointing to all her face parts and yours. What else can we find on our face? Yes, a forehead. Can you point to your forehead? Yes, good job, my friend. This is your forehead. Very good. Wow, you guys did excellent in our learning book. I am so happy you joined me. Don't forget to hit the like button, give me a thumbs up, and subscribe so you can see more videos. Mwah.